There's my boy Vincent. There he is. You guys want to see Vincent's pew pew? Go. Vincent's pew pew. So, just so that you understand, when I decided to start doing this, sharing it with you guys, I wanted to make all the files available. Nothing secret, nothing crazy. So, I set out to share what I know, including this is my screen, and I'm sharing that out. So, we started sharing these files. And my boy Vincent, chat, came up with this awesome animation. Look on that little black screen. See, showing 3 little pew pew pews, little pew pew, right? So, back in. Right. If I jump over to this camera and turn this thing off, I hit the turn signal, you got that animation that I just showed you. Pew pew, right? And then I go back, hop over. Oh look, my boy Ruben. Streaming, freak out if I talk too much. Okay. This is the show mode. One of the show modes. Another show mode. And if you look, I did 2 different files. I did a left file and a right file. Everywhere that you see these bars right here, see the little display up top shows what exactly is happening. So those 2 are on and these 2 are off. I flip-flop them so that the left headlight and the right headlight would have different stuff. And it's pretty cool because what you get, I have 2 different animation files that are almost the same, but they're off by like 2 different little frames like this. It looks like this. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Super dope. And then they sync back up. So that's the kind of stuff that we're working with right now. And I made these files available for people so that you can download them, you can update them. And so Vincent, like I've mentioned multiple times, Vincent got the file, he started modifying it, he sent me the file back, and then I showed him the file on these lights that he made. So he made the file, and then he gets to look at them on these lights. Super dope. I made this specific set of lights. It's a round 2 for one of my very good customers, G, and I didn't want to just make it to where it has what it has and that's it. We put a port on there so that we're going to be able to update and change that file up as many times as we want, even long after they're on the car. Plug in with USB, reflash the little thing, and we're good to go. And so if somebody like Vincent comes out with another file that's super cool, we're dope, we're good to go. So I had intended on making this video one of those, it could stay up on here, it could be a nice video that'll last. The only thing is, I didn't intend on buying a capture card midstream, so there is that. I might have to leave that little part of this out. Maybe keep it live, but I'm thinking the better way to go is to have this liveonlightingcourse.com as maybe like throwing a bone to the guys at Ghozt Lighting, saying like, here's all these things that you guys know exist. I didn't even know they existed. For example, I'm going to show you something right now. It's amazing. So this file, let's just take Vincent's, actually I already saved his, so I'm not going to do it. I'm going to take this file and highlight everything. By this file, I mean the thing that you're not seeing. Okay, so I'm going to highlight this whole animation, and instead of me just trying to copy and paste and move that to multiple different files that all have different names, I don't really know what it is. I just found out today on Twitch while I was streaming that I can go to sequence options. I can say export sequence. I can name this. Case, what side is it? The right side. So I'm gonna or I'll even call it 28 channels. So if I have another project, like that channel, call it bounce. Now, if I decide that I want to take this exact file and just put it, if I want to take just this animation. This is the one for show mode 1. I've also got parking lights with no animation. Show mode 2 has a completely different animation. I even put an animation for brake lights. There's normally not even brake lights. And then the animation specific for the turn signal. So I exported this turn signal. I saved it as Vincent's pew pew pew. That's what it is. Freaking awesome. That's all thanks to dude on the other side of the world where it's freaking hot balls right now. He's cooking out in the Netherlands. Yeah. It's all because you guys. So the community will exist and it will grow. And it'll do that. Ooh, let's see if I can cheat ball this up. I'm gonna try to do it. Gotta try to do it. If I can do this on my phone, it doesn't mess up right now. Like a champion. See? It's gonna grow on Twitch. Oh yeah. That was good. That was so good. So I'm learning. That stupid thing, being able to do that, yeah, it's not easy. Learning all this stuff is absolutely ridiculous. That's why things like getting this GoPro, that I can have a wired camera as opposed to this pink one right here, which is actually an old iPhone, or the zombie cam, which I'm gonna go demo the zombie cam, because guess what? I can zombie cam it up. So, pardon me while I put on my top here. Oh God, why am I doing this? I'm gonna show you. I feel like I'm begging for bitch. Okay, zombie cam. That's how we do it. Have a weapon. Let's go. We're gonna take this guy. We're gonna go cut it so I can put the capture card in it. Then we're gonna come back and we're gonna do some programming. And you know, maybe we won't, but sounds like a good idea. I just think that walking around like a shooter is the way to do it. Could be wrong. This is probably a complete silly thing. I couldn't find these earlier. Now I can. That's a good thing. Okay. Here's an ultrasonic cutter. It's not turning on because power is off. Right? Power is on. There it is. I can't really tell if you can see anything. But if you can, I'm happy for you. Oh, I see. Ultrasonic cutter was freaking out, that's why. So, if you didn't know, these little cutters, very temperamental. When they're not happy, they're not gonna work. Super expensive. This little bastard was 400 bucks. Not into that. It's really weird though now that honestly streaming to YouTube is a very different experience than when I was streaming on, well yeah, streaming to YouTube is just different than streaming on Twitch. I love my dudes that follow me around and deal with me figuring all this stuff out and help me out, and Vincent and Sinister and Hendrix Boot, Norwegian Light, DJ Boom. Where's DJ Boom been? Hey, if you guys don't know any of these names and Racing Stanger, you guys need to hop over on Discord, because when I'm not around and all the questions are piling up on YouTube, there are super smart fellows in Discord. And a lot of those guys remind me when I do stupid things like not check to see if my audio is even working. And then I go do something like cut with an ultrasonic cutter, and I walk back into my office and I realize that for 10.5 minutes, my My stream has said no audio. These are things that happen. It's not always a good time. Sometimes I feel pretty stupid. All right. Anybody out? Which? Dude, that's getting too much. Why is it? Oh, because I didn't hide it. Got it. Watch this. I just want to show you. Look at this. So there's my phone, right? And then if I hit a button, it'll switch the scene. So for example, and there's us again. Interesting. And if I hit this what happened? I'm just learning. So when something's on, I actually have to toggle it. Like, I don't know why pink is on. I don't know why it says pink. I don't know why what's happening, and I don't know why there's 3 things that say pink, but I know that I like that one. I can show you that stuff. Whew. Okay. Well, get back to it. Apparently I've got this here GoPro. That other angle, audio didn't seem to work. That's the one, dude. Get you a set of cam glasses. Rip cam glasses. Sounds like you're at the dentist. Yeah, it's true. Marine Customs, what up? Dude, you gotta get in there. You gotta get on Twitch, brother. I don't know where you been at. All my OGs, Marine Customs. I mean, one of my guys. Oh, tell that. I'm streaming to YouTube and Ruben just hit me back. Don't yell at me, they'll hear you. Okay, I'll call Ruben mid-stream, it'll be awesome. I just won't tell him. And if he says something to everyone, I'll call him right now. I'm sure he did. Got it. Okay, let's hit up Ruben and do it midstream, and everybody will know my balls live on a shelf in your closet. Yeah, I definitely could do that too. All right, I'll call you back. Love you, bye. Boy, it's been a while since I had any masculinity left. Sure has been. You guys think about all that? I'm just pretty sure that my microphone does a good job. I don't know if this one did it or not. Usually when I'm streaming on Twitch, catches wind of it. I'll hop in there and be pleasant. When I'm streaming on YouTube, bad thing. Like, yeah, I definitely am not trying to be about you streaming right now. That's what she says. Mohammed, may God be, may God bless your magical hands. Hey, may God bless your flattering words that came from a beautiful brain. There it is. Thank you, sir. Did it. Hope any of this stuff is helping you, my man. All right, got a capture card. Yeah. Else, but see what happens. Does it? Well, I figured that out. Somebody called Light the Night LEDs wanted me to join the team, so I did, and been traveling installing lights on slingshots, bites, etc. Dude, that's awesome, Marine Customs. Good to hear, bro. Makes me happy. If you enjoy it, dude, that's the best. That's awesome. Okay, let's oh, Mr. Ruben. This is the guy that actually solders up the Ghost modules, by the way. Cool. What's up, my dude? I'm doing good work. Cool. I got a bunch more Ghost modules. You're up for it? Cool. I was gonna ask you about those wires, and I was also gonna see your wee daughter didn't peace out to college yet, did she? Okay, I'm trying to find a babysitter for tomorrow night. So, if you don't mind, ask her if she a shout, or I don't know if she's available or not. That'd be dope. Sure. Okay, that's good to know. Got it. Well, I'll call you after work and talk about that and find out anything else that you need to tell me. For sure. All right, buddy. Got it. Okay. Well, sounds good. All right, bud. Okay. Thanks. Bye. Wow. What an eventful day. I did not expect to walk into that one. Interesting. Well, I was zombie camming for a minute, and then everything kind of started falling apart. So, not amazing. Not amazing. Not at all. Let's just show you how to program a couple things real quick. I will hop off of this. All right. Turn this thing off. Let's share my screen. That was insanity. Happened. I'll tell you. God knows I hope you did. We are going to make an adjustment to this show mode, and I'm going to tell you about file, that GLS file that I saved before. That's when you go to sequence options. So if I come over here, show to, got this very weird zigzaggedy thing. I can add a bunch of steps in. I can say sequence option. I can say import and append after current. Current being the little blue down at the bottom. And I've got all of these files that are just like I have them. Get them when you download the Ghozt Sequence. They're just there. Sequence Designer has all this stuff built in. I don't even know about it. Like, for example, channel 28, fireworks start. Okay. That looks like. Then got fireworks starting. So I could look through all of that and to know what's happening, or I can just tile it. Let's say, I don't know, I made this. Oh, it was on YouTube. Save it. Now it's going to ask me if I want name. Same thing plus V5, which looks so that it's 5 Ghozt Sequencer. It's going to even tell me a wrap up at the end, say that I've only used 36% of the memory available on there. If I max that out with too many lines of code, it will not let me make a thing, but that's not the case here. So let's plugged in. Plugged in. Browse for that file that I just now made. There it is, X file. I am to button program. Weird. All good. That's stupid. I love that. Why that thing died on me. Go back to my open up the program. That's the thing with this stuff. I guess because it's all Windows based. Windows is very stupid, in my opinion. Almost all sensitive. Besides, streaming stuff works better on it. Programming stuff, that's doing what. Oh wow. You know what else is smart? Plug the thing back in. Got caught off guard by the whole. All I just had. Okay. Now we're gonna X file that we just. That was crazy. No. You ever get weird news while you're streaming in front of lots of people? You know what to do or say? Or like your wife chews you out. There's that one too. Hey. Get a little flashing happening in the background. I don't know if you can see. Programming complete. Check out the file. So this one will be different from that one now. Oh, not that. So do this little bouncy bounce. And then this thing will just start tripping out. Ah, it's the firework one. Got it. And so let's just say, because I'm looking at this right now and I'm like, it's all right, it's kind of whack. Well, let's just say I like it, but it's just way slow. Let's change that really quick. I'm gonna hop back over. Designer. Roll all the way back down where this stuff happened. Here, see it says 50 at the setting. If I highlight all that and shift and hit up, actually gonna all of those. Like 20. Recompile, not change. Basically click save, yes, 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 that good stuff. Tell me, I even want to try this too. Technically it's supposed to tell me that I've just made a new file. Do I want to reload that hex file? I said yes. I have had experiences where it does not actually load that. So let's just try it. Let's just assume I've been doing things wrong, which is beyond belief at all. And it should, in theory, go way faster this time. So check it out. After this little bouncy thing, it should start going way faster. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. That's tight. Okay. So it wasn't very clean how it bounces into it and it like stopped in the middle there. So, you know, there's something left to be desired there, but that was good stuff. So I just kind of randomly DJ boom. That was crazy. I have no idea if I'm even streaming now because I totally knocked out the stream for a second. That was awesome. So any questions about any of that stuff, let me know. DJ Boom, I'm glad that you're on here. I have no idea if it's showing anything now. I totally hit the wrong button. Famous last words. Oh, whoops. That was cool though. I like this mode. So I got calls to make. I got things to do to show that. Chop out all except what mattered in after it's done and live and all that. And hopefully showing those little things on there, making the GLS files huge. That's amazing. Didn't even know that existed until today. Loading that little fireworks thing, changing right now. Like, that's so dope. The fact that that was so easy to do. So yeah, I'm gonna continue to teach about all the stuff that I learn, share with you guys, because look at this. I mean, we got pew pews. I wouldn't have that if I weren't sharing. If awesome guys like Vincent didn't make me that pew pew file. Switchback sequential pew pew. I mean, that's pretty stinking cool. That's what's up. Completing these lights tomorrow, shipping back to Canada. Good times. Gonna happen. All right, fellas. If I didn't tell you enough, something that I want you to do. Sanity. It goes like this. It goes like, go over to Twitch, follow it. Follow on Twitch. All you gotta do. I put a bunch of links below, loading up the actual program itself. all of that setup that I did, I was on Twitch while I did it, and so you can watch along as I did that. Watch the replay, click the link, go. Glad that stuff came back on. Glad that DJ Boom and Vincent, my boys from the Netherlands, are watching across the world. Thing. PTR owners helping me out, follow me along. It's crazy. Frank Corona, what type of material is used to make the lightning bolt? I think I just used the last of it. Dollars. I just traded the last of the material that I used for the bolts to get this thing. You can't necessarily make that. So that is something that was subbed out. Cost, I'd say I'm probably somewhere in the neighborhood of $40,000 at this point for my investment. All the attempts that I've done, working with multiple different people, different manufacturers, lots of failure, lots of making stuff myself. You can do a version of something like that, use like Superflux LEDs for very inexpensive, or you can design your own PCBs and have those things printed and manufactured in small batches. Pretty expensive, but like, man, yeah, making that, I didn't make that. I paid somebody to make that, and I had to buy a whole bunch of them, and it stuck. Sanity. But yeah. DJ Boom, I hope you're cool out there, bro, because Vincent says it is hot balls in Netherlands today. About $1.10. Yikes. Crazy stuff. So, all right, you guys, I'm over. Enjoy. Catch me on Twitch daily. Try to go live around noon. I'll figure it out. I'll be good at this stuff. Yeah. It's okay to suck at things at first. This is me sucking and signing off, boys. I'll see you on the next one.